I'm Makenna McDonald. I'm in the Human Services program. I graduated from Canastota High School right outside of Syracuse. I came to Alford undeclared and having no clue what I wanted to do, but after just one semester, all the professors helped me figure out that I wanted to be a Human Services major, and I'm absolutely loving it. When I came to Alford to visit my junior year, I knew I really liked it because of just the feel of the town, and everyone on the campus was happy to see and we're so excited just the idea that I'd be coming to Alfred. All of my classes are really interactive and we always have great discussions. The professors will really get you thinking on absolutely every topic you can think of, and it's always great seeing that the professor really cares about how you're growing and how you think. I'm also an RA and it's absolutely great because I get experience working with people in all different situations and I've made a lot of great friends. When I started at Alfred, I had no clue what I wanted to do, but now I know what my passion is and I'm really excited to get started.